times are strange. We got a free upgrade for snakes on a plane. Fuck 'em, I don't care. Pop the cheap champagne, we're going down in flames. Hey, oh, I'm ready for it. Come on, bring it. Oh, I'm ready for it. Come on, bring it. Oh, I'm ready for it. Come on, bring it. Oh, I'm ready for it. Come on, circus me out. Honey, I'm gonna make it out alive. So kiss me goodbye.
Well, there's the ferry that gets you over to the North Shore. Just uses a cable system. Pretty cool. Anyway, we'll be on it soon. It used to be $4 one way, now it's $6 apparently. And the sun's coming out. Beautiful. So you need a permit to go up the beach. So you go to the Queensland website, Kalula Coast, $14.40 for the day, which gets you right up to Rainbow Beach. You can do it online, it's pretty simple, and you can just print something out to take with you. Here we are on the ferry. Well, there's a lot, alright. There's quite a line-up, isn't there?
Yeah, people don't realise.
Yeah.
And they scream around the corner.
You want me to pay you?
I will in a second, I'll just get this truck.
Yeah, I'll let you go first, and
Yep.
then we'll have the ranger go. Thanks.
He just gave you a tip on how to get through the rainbow.
Oh,
Good
that's
man.
good to know.
Yeah. Thanks, mate.
You're right to go.
Thank you so much. Cheers. Okay, we haven't done this for a while. So that ranger said that you can get through the rainbow via freshwater, and I sort of knew that, but that freshwater, it can be very, very soft. But he reckons it's not. It's really, really good. So I'll see how the beach is, and maybe I will go all the way through the rainbow. That would be pretty cool if I could do that. See how we go. Alright, let's check out the beach. I'll be there soon. What have we got up here? That's pretty wild. I remember this was horrible. Holy hell, yeah. There's some trenches here, that's for sure. Oh shit, that's up. Oh, that's soft. Hey. Righto, let's go for a fang on the beach for a little bit. I've said it once before. How cool is this? Riding on the beach. And I'll say it again. How cool is this, riding on the beach? Oh, gee, it's certainly the softest spot though, that's for sure. Very soft in some spots. Be careful of that. But yeah. Wow, look at the erosion of it. Crazy. Not like last time. brakes are a bit squeaky. That'll be too loose now though, won't it? Go like this. Let's try that. Going. Yep, different view. Go with that. Message with the boy. Camera down there now. See what sort of shot that gives me, and then I'll put it on the back as well. How nice is it? Beautiful. Gloves are still there, I didn't even think to check. You've got to watch some of this stuff, it's damn soft. No doubt about that. Go down low and you'll be good, right? proper river. Oh, where did that road go? Pretty cool to go there. Oh man, that looks pretty fucking soft to me. Alright. The old fan's going. Bike must be bloody hot for the fan to be going. See if we can make this. No, it's not too bad, they said. 14 kilometres of this, I don't know, bro. Suppose I am on the wrong side of the road, aren't I? Oh yeah. Fucking have to now. Oh, fuck yeah. It's a bit big for this job. Oh, wow. What was he telling? He's telling lies. Alright, what's going on? Oh. All good, mate? All good, mate. Freshwater track, it's pretty picturesque. Look at this. Wonderful scenery. Massive trees. The size of some of these things. Wow. Some of them. A bit of variety. Hard packed gravel now. For people wondering, I rang up yesterday a Rainbow Beach shop. They said, oh, you know, you can't get up here, the ramp's washed away, it's gone. And well, here it is, it's open. Okay, I don't know, I'll put the photo up on a thing, but yeah. Oh hell, it's a bit of a jump up there though. But yeah, how spectacular. Oh yeah, you just have to have a bit of a ramp to go with it. Oh, look at that, spectacular. Alright. Rainbow Beach, love it.